Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow passengers stopping in, weird pause there. We're going to go over some interesting data in the charts on XRP. It appears that XRP is quietly making a move to the upside without making any sudden movements in the market. So I want to explain to you, we have a price target overhead if we haven't already gone over that. Revisit a quick video that we posted recently and just kind of give you my level that it needs to stay above in order to kind of walk up the stairs up to that overhead target that we're going to disclose. So let's go ahead and not waste time. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, if you find any reasonable information that is useful, then go ahead and join us here. Don't be scared to do that. We'd love for you to do that with us here. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is March the 21st, 2021, and the current price of XRP is going to be 0.51 cents. Yeah, just 51 cents. It's down approximately 2.4% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are doing well. Here's the last video that we posted on XRP. It was back in February the 27th, 2021. Beautiful engagement, guys. 98 thumbs up, 2,800 views. Really nice engagement. Thank you all so much for leaving your comments, and I truly appreciate every single one of you. So let's go ahead and get into the details here of XRP. It appears, let me just pull up what I found. It's really simple, kind of messy, but here it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what you are looking at is the last video that we posted. I don't even know if we went over it. The video was titled XRP buyers have one level to protect. This level can be identified right here, this white line at 33 cents. As long as it's above that level, it's in a buyer's range. And as long as if it tries to get below this 33-cent level, which I'm not saying it's going to happen, bulls, but if it does happen to have some volatility to the downside in this market, then the sellers will likely take control below 33 cents. But as long, again, if it's above 33 cents, yeah, that's kind of like the worst case scenario in terms of the range for the buyers. But the more practical level for XRP to stay above in terms of walking up the stairs here, this little area that I found with XRP, if it stays above 48 cents, then I think XRP is going to quietly, hopefully quietly, because notice, I'm not sure if a lot of you have bought into like the run up some XRP. I mean, it's really, when XRP like starts running up and everyone starts getting excited, dude, that's never really the best time to get into the market. It happens over and over and over and over and over. It's happened so many times, especially for those of you who bought into that like the $3 run up and you're like, holding XRP ever since like $3, like, whew, bless your heart, man. I mean, you have really no choice at this point but to hold and wait for some sort of explosion in the price action, which I think it'll eventually happen. As long as the market is respecting the previous lows here on the channel, we only focus on support, resistance, and patterns. And as long as XRP is just kind of walking up the stairs, then yeah, that's all we look for within an uptrend. I think XRP is going through a very large sideways consolidation range that could be identified. It's a super large range. I don't think these prices are going to happen, but just because I don't think these prices will happen anymore, I mean, guys, I'm just an interesting guy on YouTube. Don't go by what I think, okay? 13 cents at the low here, and we have a high all the way at like 76 cents. I'm not saying that's how large the range is, but it's like in a very frustrating sideways consolidation for such a long time. I mean, it started all the way back in like 2018. Here we are like 3 years later, and it's still like just kind of bouncing around within a large range. So the investors are like, dude, what is going on with XRP? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? And I mean, of course, the long-term diehard XRP market players, they're like, no, I'm in a dream, dude. I'm just buying XRP ever so often, right? And of course, they're waiting for that thrust to the upside, which should eventually come if you've done your research on these assets, guys. Please don't listen to me. Again, do your research, know how much you're going to enter and exit, and take a stop loss if the market goes against you. But again, if you are long-term investing in XRP, of course, you're just buying, right? These are levels that that only one would dream of having if the market eventually goes to higher levels. So with all of that lengthy explanation, the one thing I'm seeing here is, again, we'll close it out, 48 cents. If it can hold a relative level of like 48 cents, then it's likely, I'm not talking about like small dips down, guys. I'm talking about at least 1 day to 12-hour candles to close above 48 cents. Then if we haven't already went over the overhead target, this is the conservative price target. This is not the limit for XRP. But I'd say over the course of, not really good at the time, in 3 months, 3 to 6 months, we should see a 70-cent XRP up here overhead. I'll do a really quick measurement. Again, bulls, I'm not saying that's the limit there, guys. Just a conservative price target, okay? That's 40% to the upside, so I can definitely see something like that taking place. I'm actually getting interested in entering on XRP. We haven't done it. We've been in and out of XRP a few times, but I'm seeing a potential entry somewhere in the short term. It'll probably take me about a week to understand whether or not I'll enter this market again near the 48-cent level. I just have to see how the candlesticks are behaving near that level. That's all I look at, guys. Just candlesticks and like volume and stuff. That's pretty much it. So yeah, that's just my different, unusuals, sometimes accurate, sometimes inaccurate way of participating in the market. So hopefully you guys call all of that information. There's only one level for it to stay above in order to reach that overhead target. And you have the time frame, so don't quote me on that. It could take place like in 2 weeks, right? You know how XRP moves very fast. So let's go ahead and cut it out here. Thank you for your time. Hopefully this was enough useful information for you to kind of gather, my short-term and long-term investors. Here's what I have for an update for you. Hopefully you can appreciate that. And we'll cut it out here. So take care of yourselves. If you're new, before you go, we also, if you're into like traditional stocks, we cover that throughout the week. We'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey as we send you that information when it's available. So yeah, so take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon. Bye for now.